Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. It really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a professional soft tip dart set, and it was sent over by a company called Turnart. This is the box that it comes in, and you're gonna get everything you need to get up and going. So soft darts are really designed for electronic dart boards, and they work really well because of the soft tip. You don't have to worry about like damaging when you miss the board itself, which is a nice aspect. So first off, you are going to get 9 darts, and they're going to be all made out of nice aluminum metal here. As you can see, you've got the different colors. So this set is the blue one. I don't have any of the dart flights on here. I just wanted to show you how they came when they arrived. So you'll put the dart flights on the end, and then you have the soft tips on the other end. So you're gonna get a blue set that's black. Then you are also going to get a red set, 3 of those that are also black. And then you're gonna get 3 silver ones that are yellow. So you do have color coded. You get the 3 sets, so that way if you have multiple people playing, you can all grab your darts. But now they are really customizable with this set, which is cool because like I mentioned, you're going to get a ton of dart flights themselves, and you're gonna get a lot of options. So they're gonna all come with multiple colors, so you can have plenty of options. So you have these cool purple looking ones, you've got these nice red looking ones, and then you've got these yellow looking ones. You got plenty of spare, so if you break any or any get damage, you can replace them, so you're not getting rid of your full dart set. Now, once you put on it, this is what it looks like. I got the yellow one on here itself, and it's kind of your, what I would call your standard size one. Now, they do have the more narrow looking dart, and this one has the flame, so you can see right here. And you get once again 3 options there. You get some flame ones. Now you only get 3 of each option of these. Then you're gonna get the silver kind of little streaks there. And then you're gonna also get a red one, so you can kind of color coordinate them as you wish. But that's why I'm saying it's kind of customizable. You can choose which kind of flights you want to put on which darts you want. Now, as far as the plastic tips, you are going to get a ton of extra tips. You're gonna get a whole bag of about 50 extra tips. And if they break, you just screw them in. Really easy to attach. You just slide them on in, screw them where they're nice and tight. And remove them if they get damaged. So very easy to replace if they break or anything like that. Now, speaking of damaging and breaking, if you need to fix the little kind of shaft part here, they do include all the accessories to make repairs, which is nice. You can tighten these and put them all on as you need, including they're going to include a little bag of little O-rings. So if you are worried about this part where the flight is getting loose and you want to put the O-ring there, it will hold and be more secure and will be less likely to slide off. So that is a little advantage if you prefer to have that. Now, like I said, this main part is all aluminum. However, if you want the backside, which is also aluminum, where the flight is attached to be also made out of like the plastic material, which makes them a little bit lighter, so you're going to change like the weight of them. They do include 9 of these, which are basically a plastic flight. So you have, once again, customizable options. I personally like the metal one because it adds a little bit more weight to it. But if you want the lighter ones, which are to me also great with kids, especially learning, then you can switch over to this itself. Now, to give you an idea of the total length, you're looking at about 1.55 milliliters in length of these things. The aluminum shafts themselves are 43 milliliters itself. But yeah, they're very durable. They hold up really well. Like I said, the plastic tips, if you do break any of them, you got tons of replacements, which makes it absolutely great. You have the full customizable look depending on which dart flight looks you want. Very easy to assemble and put together. They give you all the tools. It's a one-stop shop kit to get you all set up. All you need is the board itself and you're good to go. So if you are in the market for some replacement dart sets, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.